Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Today's video, we're just going to give an update on Ethereum and Bitcoin and what's going on and what I'm looking for and what I'm seeing here. I'm sorry about not doing a video yesterday. I was spending some time with the family, and so we're gonna get to it right now. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is just for educational purposes only. Okay, with that being said, Bitcoin. We talk about trend is our friend. Well, our trend kind of broke down a little bit here, and we came back down and we tested this area here. It was 38,690. We got to a low. I was actually looking for a little bit lower, believe it or not, based on the weekly. If we go to the weekly chart, um, just a tad. I was looking for around 38,550. So I believe if 38,500 area doesn't hold, then we'll look for the next leg down, which is around 37,800, and then we'll look for that 36 area, 36 675-ish area for a possible bounce. But still, everything's looking good. Yeah, we broke down the trend a little bit, but guys, the big news is Ethereum. Ethereum is running the market right now. Ethereum is holding up Bitcoin. If Ethereum wasn't doing as good as it was, and I'll show you the Ethereum and Bitcoin dominance chart, I think Bitcoin would be folding down to this 36 area. But look, Ethereum, look at this, guys. Incredible. I actually look on Bitcoin right here. If we go to the daily again, on Bitcoin, we talked about this being our potential 42 area taking profit. Well, I took my profit at the 42, at the 42 300, 42 400 area. Okay, I took my profit there, and then I transferred it over to Ethereum. Okay, and you guys are probably thinking, well, why'd you do that? Well, because first of all, this chart right here. Okay, we got this beautiful triangle. This is Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart. So it's showing that Bitcoin is starting to, Ethereum is breaking out of this dominance over Bitcoin, okay? We were in this downtrend kind of messing around here, and now we're starting to come up here. And on top of that, we have this beautiful double W pattern, or double bottom, you could say, which, I don't know, I must have moved that by accident. But we have the double bottom here, okay? And and we hit some resistance up here. You could see where I had multiple lines right here. I should have drew my purple box in here, but we did hit it at 27. But I believe there's more going on here. Not only that, guys, but you guys are going to love this, okay? Because I know everybody talks about the death crosses and all that stuff. Well, if you look at the daily, guys, right here, not only are we getting good news on Ethereum, not only is the dominance turning around, okay, but we're also getting the golden cross, guys. That is getting ready to happen. You can see it right there. If we could just get the green to cross up, which I believe it looks like it has. Yes, it has a little bit. We just started this golden cross, which is beautiful on Ethereum. We're above the 100, so all the moving averages that are looking good. There's the 100 in purple. Here's the 50. Here's the 200 down here. And we're busting out of this W pattern, okay, or double bottom, which my target would be around 3,100. We talked about this numerous times in my video. This must have got shook around a little bit because I don't know why that. We had our target right up there. But yeah, and you know what? Everything's looking perfect, guys. And I told you guys, look, you stay in this. Trend is your friend until we break a daily, not a 4-hour, but a daily out of this trend. Okay, that's when I would look for maybe a pullback to some lower areas. But like I said, we could go higher. I'm thinking we're going to go higher. Okay, and then maybe get a pullback, and then see if we retrace and go down, or we can come up here and just go right back up in it, and it would be bullish. Okay, so that would be a possibility. Okay, that would definitely be a possibility. Bitcoin, I believe I had a chart here. Let's look right here. Yeah, you can see we broke down here. or we had some divergence here. But yeah, we had this wedge right here. And you can see my divergent lines, but we're in this wedge, and then we broke down out of this wedge. Now I want to see us come back up into this wedge and maybe retest it. So maybe something like this could happen. We come back up, retest it, and get rejected, or we come back and get bullish and break out. Okay, that would be our other possibility here. Okay, now on the ribbons on Bitcoin, looking good still. The weekly, I mean, we closed above here on the 21, which is nice. So if we can keep that trend going, that would be awesome on the week. So Bitcoin can keep doing that. We don't want to see a 4-hour breakdown where we came close here, but it looks like we're getting a nice little bounce here. And like I said, Ethereum's where it's at. Ethereum, if Bitcoin goes down, you guys are probably wondering that too. You're probably going, well, Bitcoin, went down. It was up to 42 and it went down, and Ethereum stayed the same or kept going up or had little dips and then would go up. And that's because of the dominance, guys. Okay. That's because of this right here. All right. So that's why we're seeing what we're seeing with Ethereum. So until we break this trend, that's when I'll look to close, or at least close some of my positions, because we did get it for so cheap down here. That's when I'll look to close some of my positions. But you guys, listen, as long as you're in the trend, just keep holding. We don't have to trade in here. Just hold until we break in a daily close and then get rejected. That's when you would look to close your position, or at least take some profit and get out of it. I know I did take a little profit, and then we bought the dip, and I talked about it in my video. Thank God, because I wanted to make sure that I did everything perfect. So we took our profit, and then I talked about this being the dip opportunity to buy back in, and we got our dip buyback here. And then we ended up making some extra Ethereums out of the deal, and then we rode this thing higher. Okay, but from this point on, I'm not looking for dips. I'm not trading it. The trend is too strong right now, and the dominance is taking over. So for me, it's just, hey, we're going long on this right now. We're going along. We got a catalyst. There's a lot of good news coming up here this week. We'll see what happens right when everything does happen, because sometimes it's the pump. So we might get the pump the next couple days here. We might get this pump, and then when Ethereum actually shifts and transitions, that's when we might get the dump. Okay, they like to do that. They like to pump it and then sell in the news. So we'll see if that's a thing, or hey, it could just rip because of it. So we'll play that by ear. It's just trend is your friend, guys. I did that in my videos. Trend is your friend. As long as we stay in the trend, this uptrend, there's no reason to get out of this. Okay, there's no reason for it. And what you guys are going to do now at this point, because of the trend so strong, you don't want to get greedy and say, oh, sell here, and then try to get here, and then you miss out on the move, and it goes higher, and then now you just sold, and now you're buying for even more than you're buying at a higher price. You don't want to do that either. So just wait for the trend. Wait for the trend to break down. Then we'll look for our bounce opportunities. Okay. Any of these bounce opportunities. If this doesn't bounce, then if we break down and we get rejected here, then yeah. If we come out of this and bounce and we get rejected, then yeah, you don't. That's when you don't. You would want to get back in once we get back in here, even if it is higher. You already took your profits, but this is the safer bet, right? Or look for this bounce area in between this box. Let me draw this box up. But I'm still waiting for the double bottom on Bitcoin. Okay, I'm still waiting for the double bottom on Bitcoin. So, I'm sorry. I'm still waiting for the bump and run on Bitcoin. So, which is right here. And I'm going to pull this back for you guys. I know I got all these lines here. But yeah, this bump and run. You can see where he got rejected here. But yeah, I'm still waiting for this. We break out. And I told you guys in my one video, when everybody's bullish and we're going to 40, whatever, 47, 48, I said, look, this could get rejected and come back and get a little pullback. We got the little pullback, but let's see how strong this lasts. And let's see how Ethereum can keep pushing this price up. Okay. And let's keep an eye on futures and stuff. There's been a lot of shaky things in the market going on. So that could be something that shakes us up a little bit too. So, guys, I just wanted to get this video and update out to you. We're going to get a daily close here soon. So keep an eye on that. That's very important. And listen, I'm not going to make this video much longer. Much love to you guys. I'll be doing videos every day this week, I promise you. I just took a day off yesterday to hang out with the family and just kind of chill and just get off the charts because I was going long anyways. So I had alarms set. So if something went off on my phone, I'd be aware of it. But I was in good shape. So, so much love to you guys. And make sure you guys sub to my YouTube channel. That's all I'm asking for. Okay. Moondog Trading. That's all I'm asking. Just sub to my YouTube channel. Help me out so I can go live here and start, really, taking your questions and doing charts for you guys and just live streaming, just having some fun. All right. So much love to you guys and peace out.